morning, party people! So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I know it's a Monday, normally we do fashion on Fridays, but you know what? Variety is the spice of life. So, I've got the new UNIQLO J.W. Anderson collection here. I've got 13 pieces I'm going to run you through in the collection. The whole thing is amazing. This is always one of my favorite collaborations that UNIQLO do. I work with them most months. I do 1 or 2 posts for them. Been doing it for about 3 years now as a UNIQLO ambassador. They are one of my favorite brands. Brands, man, I need to learn to talk. If you want to check out some previous posts, you can check out. So, I'm going to start with this first look here, break it down. So, they've gone with the basic striped shirt here, but kind of chop and change paneling right down the sleeve here, mixing up the textures. J.W. Anderson is a British heritage brand, so they do that classic British look, but with a bit of a twist. This whole collection is quite nautical inspired, which I love, living by the beach. So I'm going to show you how I put together some of the looks here. Pair these ones up with the pleated denim look Chambre shorts. This oversized string is kind of characteristic of the J.W. Anderson collections as well. You'll see that on a few of the short pant options I wear here today. With this one, I've also got the Chambre blazer here, which we can pair this one up with. Now I love a good twin set. This one's very casual, kind of a bit formal, but casual at the same time. I'd leave the shirt untucked personally, give it a little button up. It's very summer ready. I love the fit of this. It's almost like a workman's blazer as well, with like the patch pockets down here on top. It's a good fit. Like, this is off the rack, so I've cuffed the sleeves up because they are functioning buttonholes down the sides, which is wonderful. I wear a medium in this. I'm wearing a small bottom, medium top. So that's look number 1. Now the cool thing with this collection is that a lot of the pieces they've done in both a short and a long. So I'm going to show you what the pants look like in this option, so you can see it as like almost like a full suit. Okay, so you can see here it's a bit more of like an oversized fit. It runs straight up and down the shorts. Again, you've got paneling down here around the ankles. This is the full look. Very casual sort of street sort of suiting. Now I've chucked some shoes up here that I'd wear this with. I'd paired this up with either some deck shoes here. I've got some like Sperry topsiders, classic white cons, or I've got a pair of like navy Van Authentics, which I would pair these up and give it that like street suiting sort of vibe. Cool, that's look number 1 done. Okay, this is look number 2, a bit more of a sporty vibe. Now the thing I really like this collection is the pop of colour that J.W. Anderson has injected. I love this yellow. I think yellow is very on trend at the moment. There were other colours. There was like olive green, which is also very on trend, but I chose to stick to the colour scheme. As you can see, there's another yellow option here. So this is like a sporty nautical vibe here. Got the asymmetrical striped shirt underneath here, just with the chest hit. It's a long sleeve shirt, t-shirt I should say. So you can see that one, it's really beautiful. The cool thing with the little spray jacket here is it's super lightweight. It comes with there it is. It comes with a little bag so you can pocket it up. So it's just like that, if there's an extra bit of wind or something, this would be a great option to chuck over. Lightweight, breathable. Now the cool thing, as I said, everything here is interchangeable. So you can go through and chuck on like the jacket I had before here. It's a bit more like a casual look here with the jacket again. Really nice. Now these are the same style of shorts in like a seersucker material, quite lightweight, oversized cord again. They got some pleats down the front, nice and comfy, good back pockets on both sides, which is very important to me. Look number 2. And 3. Just mixing it up, you know. Alright, let's jump into the next look. So we've gone for more of a casual sporty vibe here. The next one is a bit more like that beach prep. Again, going for the seersucker material, nice and light and breezy, so let's have a look at that. Okay, so I wasn't actually planning on showing this one as a full outfit, but as I was getting changed, I realized how much I like this combination. It can't be beat. Crisp white Oxford style shirt with these blue seersucker shorts. I'd pair this up with some deck shoes. That's a classic look right there. I really like the detailing of this shirt too. Again, it's the same as the first shirt I showed you. Has these like chop and change panels, but just being in the all white, just that point of difference. This is really nice. I like this a lot. Alright, so I'll show you this look. I'm going to show you what the other shorts I was originally planning on doing look like. As I said, this was the seersucker look I originally planned on. Same shorts again in this lightweight, breathable material. A bit more washed out, which is nice and summery. Now, this is the first like casual style. Again, we've got the matching jacket here. So I'm going to show you what that looks like on. I've actually gone up a size in this. And there is a reason for that, which I will show you once I've got it on. Once I've got it on. So again, this one has the functioning buttons down the side, which is key to this next look. You can see the cream lining here matches the string of the shorts. Nice, simple, clean. Now, to complete the look here though, I'm actually going to take out this shirt from underneath. This is one option, but it's not how I was going to style it originally. I was originally going to use this hoodie, so I'm going to chuck that on underneath and show you what it looks like. Okay, now this is the reason why I went a little bit oversized in the jacket, so that I could fit the hood a bit more comfortably underneath here. This is like those summer nights by the dock, Hampton vibe. Again, the colors pair up really beautifully. This hoodie is super comfortable underneath. Basic cream, again, matching with the lining and with the string of the shorts. And on the sleeves of this one, it matches the stripes here. So I'll show you the details of the jacket, and then we'll show you just the hood. Okay, for the last full look here, I'm going to jump into one of the existing looks to start off, and then show you how I'll dress it up with the coat. Alright, this is the final look. So as you can see, I've actually gone back to the seersucker navy shorts striped shirt here, paired up with this like duffel coat on top. I love this. This is like a really thick, it's almost like a sailcloth type material, which kind of harkens back to that nautical vibe. Good deep hood on it. You know, the really cool thing about this jacket is it's actually reversible. So you can just unbutton, flip it in the other way, and all of a sudden you've got a navy jacket, which is really cool. I'm going to show you how I'd style that one out of different end. Alright, so this is the next variation here. As you can see, I flipped the jacket inside out, paired it up with that sport jacket underneath, nice and light. Got the tan coloured chinos here, again in a wide leg, cream drawstring, a bit more of that like wet weather look. Now I'm going to change it up one more time. And the last look, so I've just replaced the sports jacket with that crisp Oxford shirt underneath here. I really like this. I think it's comfortable. I like the versatility of having the inside out jacket. Can make this look completely different by turning into the yellow coat. Alright, that's it, we're done guys. All 13 pieces I picked out from the collection. If you want to see more, go head into UNIQLO in stores now. It's online as well. I'm stoked on it. I think it's really beautifully put together. I could have kept picking all the pieces as well. I just don't want to be too greedy. I'll see you guys on Wednesday.